What y'all looking at? Shit. This is a gift for you. It's gonna be worth a lot of money.
I bet it will.
You be perfect, preacher man. So, we practiced, did we? We practiced.
Damn, I hope they didn't see me. Magic. On this bike, I feel like Houdini. Magic. Damn, I hope they didn't see me. Magic. On this bike, I feel like Houdini.
Mr. Lavelle, one of my subscribers, you know, he moved up in the ranks off this shit. But anyways, he wants to know, he wants an actual video made, a little tutorial, which I'll go ahead and put out there just so you guys know, man. I'm trying to put it in videos for the longest time. I don't know why you guys, you know, if you give me some money through the Cash App, I put that shit priority. You know, to help you out with whatever you having trouble with, because I know a lot of you guys are having trouble still to this day. I still have trouble with a lot of stuff, but when it comes down to like your basic wheelie and stuff like that, you need to talk to me. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm gonna tell you like it is. I'm gonna tell you where you at. I'm gonna tell you real deal. You know, I ain't gonna sugarcoat it, man. So he wrote, which you already paid for the video, bro. Oh, this is not the video. Let me just say that. All right, the video will be tomorrow. It's gonna be better weather. And I'll be able to get my cameraman. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Juice, coming at you with some backlog videos, most likely. Man, I gotta get something off my chest, man. I've been holding my iMac at my homie house, Brian. And like, in order for me to upload, I'd have to, you know, go to his house and shit, which is cool. But like, you gotta answer the door. You know, you gotta answer the phone. You gotta be ready to grind, you know what I'm saying? And so there's somebody, you know, Lavelle had paid for a tutorial video. And if I ain't got my iMac, then how the fuck am I gonna do a tutorial video? And I should have had that bitch out to him 2 days ago. And big dog, it's crazy over here. Just please believe me, I probably, if you guys feel like hearing them stories, it's a good ass story. I'll tell y'all everything that's been going on and keep it 100 with y'all. But a lot of times the comments be like, shut up and ride, nigga. And so that's exactly what I'm doing. Just taking it easy. Kind of a little heartbroken that I couldn't make. I'm gonna get some foot brake in. Ooh, cheating ass nigga. Got stuck a little bit. I gotta bring this in a little bit on the clipboards. So many things that I try to talk about in these last few days. I ain't never been on the back road. First time, nigga. Bike up. The rim at least. Tire. Oh man. This guy got to take me out the game right here. I know. I'm trying to make it. I am trying to make it. Oh man, this is rough. That I just couldn't. I tried like recently when you see my videos and I got in shot, I was taking my GoPro footage, uploading it to my phone, and then chopping it up on my phone, then uploading it to YouTube. It sucks because you can't do no thumbnail really, or I haven't found out how to do it. And so recently, I don't know if the software is off, I need updates on my GoPro or my phone, and it's not recognizing my GoPro. So I wasn't able to use that method. And the only other method was go to Brian's crib, but Brian be all hollering back at work and shit. I understand that. You gotta make money. But if you're trying to be a part of this YouTube shit, you gotta realize these motherfuckers pay you now. You know what I'm saying? Man, my bike's starting to stutter a little bit. Y'all hear it? I usually be killing that one. It's probably the gas that I put in there. I keep putting 87 on accident. I put 87 in my van, and I be sometimes pulling out that gas can and pouring the extra in that van. I mean that gas can. And so I used the gas can recently to fill this bitch up twice. And I know I ain't gotta keep hearing it, man. I know. And so a little disappointed that I wasn't able to ride with everybody, but I also know it's gonna be 100 more rides. And then also one of my long-term subscribers, Tyler, I ain't forget your name, I'm just trying to focus. Tyler was coming down here, man. He making that trip for Louisiana. Just know, Tyler, my whole goal is to come out there, come see you and a whole bunch of other subscribers in the traveling sense. So I know you came down to H-Town wanting to see your boy, but to be real with you, I tried to get my shit together just in time. It just didn't work out, man. So the only thing I could do today was to bleed the brakes because Marcus had rode my bike yesterday, and basically that's one of his complaints, major complaints out of everything, was my handbrake wasn't like touchy enough. It was squishy and spongy, which I know there was a lot of bubbles that came out. And so I've been riding 30 minutes a day every day except for like 2 days, and I've been doing it for 2 weeks straight. And I got way better control of my bike, and so now I'm able to drop tutorials. Everything's gonna be on the Patreon, so it'll be a lot cheaper for you guys. Instead of like $100 here, $20 here, the guys be donating. We'll just make it like $5 a month, $10 a month for that extra shit, you know? And so I ain't forget about none of you guys. I love you guys. It's just that if you look at Houston right now, you get on your Facebook and put in your search bar KHOU for one of the pages, and just keep track of what go down in Houston. You'll see some of the indirect shit that I deal with over here on a daily basis. Life over here, it'll consume you. It's like a darkness over here, man. Like right now, obviously the sun's shining, you know. It's like a darkness. It's hard to escape it. You gotta like go to the suburbs to escape it, and even then you're not over there safe. So right now, like I'm doing that 30 minutes, just did a few things different with the bike. As you can tell, this is broken, so it's gonna have air bubbles in it. Like I said, Lavelle, I think I actually shot your video, but like I wasn't satisfied with it, and then I didn't have the means to really look at it on the computer. I do now, so we're gonna get down to nitty gritty on that. I've been practicing my sit downs because you know how that ended up last time.
So subscribers have the wheelie with they brake shoe. With they brake shoe.
See me doing foot brake a lot, but you know I got a little bit of foot brake in me, you know what I'm saying? Hold on, I got a foot in the trunk right now. All right. So let's do it one more time. See that I gotta mentally tell myself to take my hands off that handbrake so I don't use my handbrake. Alright, so I got it, you know what I'm saying? If I spent like a whole day doing it, it'd be butter. Same thing for you. Is go out there every goddamn day you possibly fucking can, even if you don't feel like it. I'm assuming at least that is what you guys are trying to do, right? You're at least trying to do that. First off, let me tell you what.
Swing it, swing it, swing it. My Cali swing lane to lane. Swing it, swing it. Yeah, I swing my dang lane. Swing it, swing it, swing it. Cali swing lane to lane. I swing my dang lane. Cali swing.